Greetings. I am the legendary Knight Nobody, the noble one, who, luckily for Open House, was a part of the theatre tribe Theatrical Tigers. It was here that I learned to boost my confidence. Not that I wasn't confident before, but yeah. These people of Open House also knew marvelous things that I hadn't heard, like styles of directing and different types of theater. We also had voice exercises, and as you can see, I have developed such a deep voice due to that, and now I'm not able to get rid of it. Some people in my town call me strange, but here, due to the no judging rule, my strangeness became unique. I do not like it when somebody points out my flaws in acting, but my peers gave me constructive criticism and even congratulated me when I did something good. Due to this, my peers have gained even Knight Nobody's greatest honor through their acting, and they also made me learn. The mentors were great. Though Knight Nobody doesn't usually need help, but still, they helped us whenever we faced any problem. And now, because I'm old fashioned and don't know much about technology, I faced quite a few network problems in the middle of the acts. But the mentors calmed me down and told me not to worry. Now, that is nice. Well, I must say, whoever is able to teach something to Knight Nobody has to be great.